Hello, and welcome to Dorsey's International Real Estate Podcast. I'm your host, as well as your guide, Fred Dorsey. Please be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to at Dorsey's Realty on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. And you can even subscribe to our newsletter, which can be found on the web at dorseysrealty.com. Trust versus wills. Which one is right for you? Let's weigh pros and cons. Let's start with wills. Wills. A will is a legal document that outlines your instructions regarding the distribution of your assets after your death. It allows, number one. Number two, it allows you to name beneficiaries, appoint an executor to carry out your wishes, and designate guardians for minor children. Number three, a will goes through the probate process, which is a court supervised process of validating the will and distributing the assets. Probate can be time consuming and may involve legal expenses. Number four, a will becomes public record upon probate, meaning the details of your estate and beneficiaries can be accessed by the public. And number five, wills are generally less expensive to set up compared to trusts and may be sufficient for individuals with simpler estates or fewer assets. Now, let's look at trusts. Trust. Number one, a trust is a legal arrangement where a trustee holds and manages an asset on behalf of beneficiaries, according to your instructions. Number two, trust can be revocable or irrevocable. Revocable trust can be modified or revoked during your lifetime, while irrevocable trusts typically cannot be changed. Number three, by transferring assets into a trust, you can avoid the probate process for those assets, allowing for a faster and more private distribution process. Number four, trust can provide ongoing management of assets, especially beneficial if you come incapacitated. These can specify how assets should be used and just distributed over time, such as for children, grandchildren, or charitable organizations. Trusts offer more flexibility over control over asset distribution, protection of assets from creditors or lawsuits, and potential tax benefits. And final, setting up a trust generally involves more upfront costs compared to a will, and ongoing management and administrative tasks are required. Dorsey's International Realty disclaimer. Ultimately, decision between a trust or a will depends on your goals, the complexity of your estate, and your personal preferences. It's advisable to consult with an estate planning attorney who can evaluate your specific situation and provide tailored recommendations based on your need. Note, this is just general information and not legal advice. It's always recommended that individuals seek to include a disclaimer in a contract or agreement when consulting with a qualified attorney who can advise you on specific legal requirements and implications in your jurisdiction. Thanks for listening to another episode of Dorsey's International Real Estate Podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Stay connected off the show by visiting dorseysrealty.com. Local expertise, global presence. Your resource for all things probate, estate, and trust in the title.